Hello students, in today's session of NCERT Chapter 8, Mechanical Properties of Liquids, very basics on the topic of pressure will be cleared through illustration. In today's session, we are going to discuss density of mixture when equal masses are taken. In that case, density of mixture harmonic mean and density of mixture and equal volumes we consider. There will be arithmetic mean. These concepts are being cleared through illustrations. Also, hydraulic press. That is application of Pascal rule is being cleared through illustration, and also application of U2 and using the concept of P equal to H rho G. All points being very important. Please go through the session. Now let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, when equal volumes of two substances are mixed, the specific gravity of the mixture is 4. When equal weights of the same substance are mixed, the specific gravity of mixture is 3. The specific gravity of the two substances could be 4 options are given to you. One of the option is correct. First of all, we will discuss the concept applicable. You know, density equal to mass upon volume. That is rho equal to m upon v, or m equal to rho v. You can use this, you can use this. Now, two cases are there. Case 1. So suppose there are two masses m1 and m2, right? Density equal to total mass m1 plus m2 divided by v1 plus v2, both having density rho 1 and rho 2. m1 plus m2 divided by v1. v1 is m1 by rho 1 and m2 by rho 2. If m1 equal to m2 equal to m, m1 equal to m2 equal to m, then this comes out to be 2 upon 1 over rho 1 plus 1 over rho 2, density of mixture. That is 2 upon 2 rho 1 rho 2 upon rho 1 plus rho 2. That is 2 upon rho mixture equal to 1 over rho 1 plus 1 over rho 2. That is harmonic mean. If masses are same, density of mixture will be the harmonic of the tank. Case 2. Density equal to mass upon volume. So, rho mixture equal to m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus v1 plus v2. मास को लिख सकते हैं हम rho 1 v1 plus rho 2 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. If v1 equal to v2 equal to v, then rho mixture will be equal to v1 plus rho 1 plus rho 2 divided by 2. That is arithmetic mean. Means if these are the basic concepts has been discussed. Mass m1 equal to M2 equal to Mn, harmonic mean. N over rho mixture will be 1 over rho 1 plus 1 over rho 2 plus 1 over rho n. And if V1 equal to V2 equal to Vn, arithmetic mean, that is rho 1 plus rho 2 plus rho n divided by n. That is Earth. This is the harmonic mean. This is the arithmetic mean. These are the two concepts applicable in this question. Right? Now, that's a question. Now, according to question, two cases are there. Two cases are there. Case 1 and case 2. केस 1 में दिया हमारा टू इक्वल वॉल्यूम्स. केस 2 में इक्वल masses. In case of equal volumes, density of mixture is harmonic, arithmetic mean. In case of this, density of mixture is harmonic mean, right? And also specific gravity. Density of substance divided by the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. Means in case CGS unit, specific gravity equal to density of the substance. Density of the substance as density of water is 10 to 3 kg per meter cube and 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we can use this one, right? Now, first case 1 is equal volumes. Equal volumes arithmetic mean. Rho mixture will be rho 1 plus rho 2 divided by 2. That is given to you. That is given 4. That is rho 1 plus rho 2. That is 4. 8. This is case 1. Case 2. Equal masses 10. That comes out to be harmonic mean. That is 2 over rho mixture equal to 1 over rho 1 plus 1 over rho 2. So this comes out to be twice rho 1 rho 2 divided by rho 1 plus rho 2 equal to rho mixture. This is given to 2. This is given to you 3. So 3 equal to twice rho 1 rho 2 divided by 8. 4 rho 1 rho 2 comes out to be 12. This equation 1, this equation on solving rho, this is equation A, equation B. Equations A and B. We will get 12, 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 2. 6 and you get rho 1 equal to 6, rho 2 equal to 2 or 2 or 6, that is. So answer is A. A option is correct option, right? Before start of the next question, I will request that these concept killing videos, which are very, very useful for 11th standard, 12th standard, CBSE board, state boards, JEE, NEET, CUET, and other entrance examinations. which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please subscribe it and share with your colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question. Question is, for the arrangement shown in the figure, the density of oil, fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blank here. It is a question of YouTube. Pressure due to height is given by H rho G. This is applicable. Pressure. Now concept applicable. First, make mark common point. Common point, that is, this is common point. This is a common point for both. This is left-handed. This is right-handed. Left-handed. Right. Now, this is L and this is D. This is D. To find क्या करना हमने? To find raw oil. Density of the oil find out करनी है. Now, as both the limbs are exposed to atmosphere. Therefore, PB equal to PA, that is P naught atmospheric pressure plus pressure due to height column, that is 130 mm. PB, that is comes out to be H rho G. This is L rho water into G. That comes out to be density of oil, that is P naught atmospheric pressure plus density of oil plus this height comes out to be L plus D. Right? We can ignore here atmospheric pressure also because both are exposed to the same pressure. Then raw oil comes out to be, जिससे G भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, rho W divide L over L plus T. Rho W 1000 kg meter per cube into L. L is 135 mm upon 135 plus 12.3. On simplification, this comes out to be 916 kg per meter cube. This is the answer. Fill in the blanks will be 916 kg per meter cube. Right? Next question. Question is, a U-tube of uniform cross-sectional area open to the atmosphere partially filled with mercury. This is mercury. Water is then poured into both the halves. This is water. This is water. Water. If the equilibrium of the tube is shown in figure with H2 equal to 1.0 centimeter, then the value of H1 is, we have to fill in the blanks here. Now, concept applicable in solution. Now, both the limbs of U-tube are exposed to atmosphere. We can consider atmospheric pressure, we can not consider that much because it will cancel out on both sides. And choose reference point. Reference point. Reference point is this is the reference point. This is the reference point. This is the reference point. This is A, this is B. Then in equilibrium, choose the reference point A and B. Line जो है AB line. AB line. Therefore, in equilibrium, PA equal to PP, PA equal to PB. PA में क्या आएगा? Only mercury is there. So this height is H. This height H. So this height will also be, this complete height will become H1 plus H plus H2. So this is water. This is water. And this is mercury. This is mercury. Then rho A, only water is there. H rho G concept. H1 plus H plus H2 H rho water into G plus atmospheric pressure. PB P naught plus this is H2, this is H. P naught H plus this will be P naught will be equal to P naught plus, first of all, mercury is there. Rho mercury into H2 into G plus rho water into H into G. This is all about this, right? Now, rearranging. Rho naught से rho naught गया. This comes out to be H1 rho water G plus H rho water G plus H2 rho water G equal to rho Hg H2G plus rho water Hg. This goes, this goes. Remaining comes out to be, we have to find the value of H1. This is H1. This is H1. If we shifting this in this side, then H1 rho W, H1 rho W, G comes out to be rho Hg, H2G minus H2 rho W, G. Right? Now G cancels. So this comes out to be H2 taken common, rho Hg minus rho W into H2 upon rho water. G से G cancel हो गया, H2 common लिया, this comes out to H1. Rho Hg is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube or 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. And rho water equal to 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube or 1 gram per centimeter cube. Right? Distance are given in centimeter, so we will use centimeter. 13.6 minus 1 divided by 1 into H2. H2 is given to 1.0 centimeter. 0. On simplification, 12.6 centimeter. That is H1. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, figure shows a hydraulic press with a larger piston diameter 35 centimeter at a height of 1.5 meter. Related to the smaller piston diameter 10 centimeter. The mass on the small piston is 20 kg. What is the force exerted on the load by the larger piston? The density of the oil in the press is 750 kg per meter. Taking G equal to 10 meter per second square. Concept applicable. Pascal law. When pressure is applied in a closed vessel, pressure is equally transmitted in all directions, right? Now, in this case, we have to find F. This is the larger piston. This is the smaller piston. This is the raw oil that is given to 750 kg per meter cube. 50 kg per meter cube, right? Now this difference is given to, this difference is 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, right? And die of larger piston 35 centimeter. Die is 35 centimeter. Die is 10 centimeter, right? Now, pressure equal to force upon area. Pressure equal to force upon area. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Then, pressure on a smaller piston. The smaller piston will be equal to, pressure on a smaller piston will be force 20 into 9.8 divided by pi r square, 10 out of 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is equation 1. Pressure on larger piston. Larger piston will be equal to, pressure on larger piston will be equal to force upon area. Force upon area is F upon pi into 17.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter per second square, right? This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Pressure difference will be 1 minus 2 will be equal to difference, pressure difference due to height column. Height. This comes out to be 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 20 to 10 to the power minus 4, 20 into 9.8 into pi into 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square minus larger F upon pi into 17.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square. This comes out to be H rho G. This is 1.5 into 750 into 9.8. On simplification, we get F equal to 1.3 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. That is the answer, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, SETI Swift Learn, SETI Shift Learn. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.